No matter the industry, the ability to make swift, informed decisions sets successful businesses apart. But what happens when the very data you rely on is scattered, inconsistent, or just plain unreliable? Businesses that are still relying on basic technology like Excel files and coded pipelines are quickly falling behind in their ability to keep up with rapidly changing data volumes and new technologies, which makes building a reliable single source of truth almost impossible. However, the solution is easier, faster, and more affordable than you might think. TimeXtender Data Integration provides all the features you need to build a robust, secure, yet agile data infrastructure for analytics and AI in the fastest, most efficient way possible, all within a single, low-code user interface. By leveraging AI and metadata to unify each layer of the data stack and automate manual processes, TimeXtender empowers you to ingest, prepare, and deliver business-ready data 10 times faster, while reducing your costs by 70 to 80%. The full TimeXtender Holistic Data Suite is composed of 4 modules, allowing you to integrate, organize, cleanse, validate, and orchestrate your data. This ensures that the information driving your business forward is accessible, accurate, and trustworthy, while automatically alerting your team when there is an issue. Together, these tools empower your business to harness the full potential of your data, making every decision more informed, more strategic, and more impactful. Over 3,000 businesses around the world have already discovered how TimeXtender can transform a data strategy and propel businesses into a data-empowered future. Are you next?